Good morning everybody, and welcome to our 5th edition of our buttercream flower series that we are running in the month of September in celebration of spring. Today is Heritage Day and we are celebrating our beautiful country and diverse cultures here in South Africa. And with that, I will be showing you how to create a beautiful buttercream Protea. It's our national flower. It's big, it's bold, it's beautiful, just like our country. And so will our buttercream flower be just as big, bold and beautiful. Before we get along to our demo, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and make as many comments and ask as many questions as you like, and I'll do my best to answer them. Happy Heritage Day, and let's get on with the demo. Right, to get on with our demo, what we're going to need to use this week is, as standard, our piping bags, our nozzles, our cupcakes, or if you want to practice, you can use parchment paper and the bottom of a ramekin or a glass, and of course our buttercream. This week I'm going to demo onto cupcakes. Our nozzles that we're going to be needing are the standard leaf nozzles, the same ones that we used for the sunflower, the same small ones. I'm not going to be using the big ones because it's on cupcakes. And the same 2mm round nozzle that we used for the sunflowers. Right, so let's get on. Same as always, as long as it holds its shape, we're good to go. I have pre-packed all my colors, as I have shown previously in previous videos how to pack your buttercream. I do, however, need to pack this one so that I can have extra. And then I have also done, so I'm going to do the petals in a two-tone. I like to do the Protea in a two-tone, either in a dark pink and a light pink, or something like this where it's a dark pinky peach color with a white. It just gives it that extra dynamic to it. And we're going to put that in to our piping bag so that we are ready to do our demo. Right, so we're ready to show you the demo. My daughter Rebecca will be demoing with me. She's not in the video, but she's sitting next to me, wanting to do her own cupcake. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our first cupcake. We're going to start off with our 2mm nozzle and the white buttercream. We're going to very messily squeeze in a circle in the center as you can get it, and you're going to keep squeezing. There's no perfection to this. We just need this, you will see now, as a center to work from for our flower. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that center bit of stamens inside a Protea, and you're going to same nozzle after you can see it's quite high. You can make it as wide or as thin as you like. In a Protea, that white stamen area is generally quite large, but that also depends whether your Protea is closed or if it's open. So depending on how you feel, you can make it wider or smaller. What you're going to do is you're going to base at the bottom of your cupcake, at the bottom of it, and you're going to pull up, and you're going to squeeze and pull, and you're going to create these lovely little stamens, and you're going to go all the way around the, what is it, our extra buttercream that we have squeezed down in the center of our buttercream, of our cupcake. So we're just going to keep going, one right next to, you'll see each one is right next to each other. We're going to do 2 rows of that so that we can cover all bases. And you can squeeze it and then flick it up to give it that same look as the Protea, where the stamens are almost like a feathery, frizzy kind of look. So we'll do it one more time to go all the way around, just overlapping in the gaps. We're going to follow the same suit with the petals and the leaves. So you need to get this bit right and in the correct center, or else your flower will be off-centered and it'll look a bit odd. Right. Excuse me. So that's the center stamen. Then we are going to use our green. You can do it. We're going to use our for our petals, the two-tone and the leaf, the leaf nozzle. So what you're going to do, again from that side, because I find that this is the easiest way, you're going to squeeze until the base, as you can see, it's coming out, and then you're going to pull up, squeeze and pull up. You're going to ever so slightly overlap your petals, squeeze and pull up, squeeze and pull up. And as we turn it, you will see now you'll get a different shade of color if you have a two-tone. So you're just going to keep following, squeeze so that you get that basing, and then you pull up to this thin, pretty petal. And you'll keep going. And as you can see, it's pretty easy. It's just time-consuming and a whole lot of buttercream. And as you can see, my second color is now coming through. And the whole time, we're just following from the bottom, squeezing around, all the way around. And we keep going. And you get in as many layers of petals as you like. You don't have to make them even. The more uneven it is, possibly the better it'll look. And you can flick some petals as well, so that it just gives it that extra oomph around with the tips of the petals. It makes it a little bit more realistic the more you do. Again, nature's not perfect, neither will your cupcake be perfect, but well, we're trying to copy what nature looks like. So you just keep filling around, and this will be my last round, and then we'll put some leaves on. Right. So that's how you'll get it. So you're going to do the exact same thing now for the leaf. So as you can see now, you've got lots of layers, so it looks like all the petals are sort of opening up around that stamen area. Then we're going to do the leaf. Same technique. We're going to squeeze at the bottom and pull up. Squeeze at the bottom. We're only going to do one layer of leaves. We're going to slightly overlap them and carry on. Exact same technique. As I said in my intro at the beginning of the series, the Protea is probably one of the easiest flowers to actually recreate. It's just a little time consuming as you want to build it up. And we keep going round. And we're almost done, and it covers the entire cupcake, and there is our beautiful Protea. Right, and we always want to glamour up our cupcake flowers. I am not going to add much more to this other than, of course, my favorite glitter. As usual, you don't need to, but I love doing the glitter. I think the Protea is big, bold and beautiful all on its own, so it doesn't need a lot more glamoring up on it. So I just sprinkle a little bit of glitter, and as you've all come to see, it's my favorite thing to do on my cupcakes. And that is your simple and beautiful Protea to celebrate Heritage Day. Thank you for joining me, and happy Heritage Day, and have a delicious day.